Hello guys, in this video we will see how to uninstall MySQL on Ubuntu Linux operating system complete. Before doing uninstallation, you have to take backup of the MySQL databases. Also take the backup of the MySQL folders. Okay, once we delete it, it won't be recovered. Open terminal. First verify whether do we have installed MySQL or not. Sudo system ctl status MySQL. See, MySQL is running, so it is installed. So let us stop it first. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status again. See, MySQL is stopped. Control L. Now uninstall MySQL server from Ubuntu by using this command. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. I will keep the comments in the video description. See, now it is asking us to remove the data directory. We have taken the backup, so select yes and hit enter. We have successfully removed. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, we don't have MySQL, so we have successfully uninstalled. Also remove these two directories. Also remove the unnecessary packages by running this command. As I told you, I will keep all these commands in the video description. Also remove cache, auto clean. It is done. Okay. In this video, we have seen how to uninstall MySQL from the Ubuntu Linux. The process is same on all Ubuntu Linux operating systems. For more Linux and MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.